Hello out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy and you are watching Sincerely Cindy Settle. Today, it's a Stitch Fix day. So if you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, I will leave a description down below along with a referral code. The first box, typically your referral code is about $25. That would be $25 for you, $25 for me. That goes towards your styling fee as well as anything that you wish to keep in your first box. So you get 5 items based on your style profile. A stylist sends those to you based on what you have decided that you like or dislike from your style profile. So let's dig in and see what we have here today. In your box, you will have several different things here. You will have a bag to send your items back that you do not want to keep. This is United States Postal Service, so easy peasy. You will also have a little envelope here. This will have your, usually has your style note in it. Yes, here's my style note, fell out. But my style note as well as some pictures of ways to style your items, which I really like. And then you will also have a note here, not a note, but a listing of your prices so you know how much you're paying for everything. And then it'll let you know if you have any credits or anything like that that you can put towards your purchase. You do get a discount if you buy all 5 items. I believe that's a 25% discount. So let's jump in and read my note first. Okay, so hello Cindy and happy Fix Day. I hope you enjoyed the Fix preview and I cannot wait to hear what you think of the pieces you've picked out. So the Fix preview is something new. They will send you a preview of 10 items that they have styled for you. You can choose up to 5 of those items to send in your box. If you do not choose 5 items, let's say you only choose 3 items, they will then send those 3 items along with 2 other items that they have chosen for you. So you do not get a second preview or anything like that. But this time I did choose all 5 of my items based on what they had sent me from the preview. Let's continue. I love all the items you chose. They're so versatile and will be perfect for transitioning into spring and summer. These curve appeal pants are bound to be a new favorite. Pair with the Papermoon blouse and you'll be set for work. Let me know how the fit is on the pants and top. What do you think of the pattern? This Loveappella dress would be perfect for work or a fun weekend outing. Pair with your favorite sandals and you'll be good to go. Let me know how the fit is on the dress and what you think of the color and pattern. Do you like the midi length of the dress? I hope you enjoy your fix and I look forward to hearing from you. Best, Brittany. So Brittany is a new stylist for me. I've had some problems finding a stylist that gets me. So I've gone through several, and not necessarily by choice. Sometimes I have even said, you know, I'll keep the same stylist, but then they send me another one anyway. So I don't know if there's a lot of turnaround at Stitch Fix or what have you, but I do feel like my stylist does need to be with me for a little bit of time in order to get to know me and get to know what I like and dislike. So I don't know, we'll see. All right, so let's look at this and see what we have. So here is our pretty little bundle. We have some patterns in there and some solids. Look at that pretty bright red, orange. I think I have a pair of pants that's similar to that though. I thought they were going to be more of a red. Anyway, we'll see. All right, let's dig in. Oh, so this is a very pretty, blouse. I think this is the Papermoon. Yes, this is the Papermoon blouse. Very pretty floral. Pattern, navy background. It does have a split neck, sleeveless. Now the back is a solid. It looks like it's a little bit different material on the back as well. So looks like it is also going to be shorter in the front, a little longer in the back. Then we have a, let's see, this is Skies Are Blue, curvy. This is a tiered dress. So I picked this, I've seen this a couple times in the Shop Your Looks. It looks a little different in person than what it does there on the screen. It's more of a blue tones and purples. And I'll get a little closer so you can see this. And it has some gold flecks in it as well. when you look at it on the screen, it looks more of like greenish tones to me. But this is a tiered dress. It looks like it's going to hit right at the knee. Let me show you here the pattern really quick. Let's see. Can you see that? There does have some greens and yellows in it, but there's a lot of blues and purples, and I'm not sure if you can see those gold flecks in there very well, but those are like a gold metallic type of color. All right, so let's see what we have next. I do like dresses in the summer. So they are very versatile, and I can wear them to work, and I can wear them in the evenings. I can wear them on the weekends. This is another dress. This is a tie front, and it is tied pretty, well, not tied, but it's wrapped around here for a second. Let's see. All right, there we go. All right, so there we go. We can get a better idea of what it looks like. This is a navy, I believe. Where is that black? That might be black. And then it just has some white pinstripes, and then it has this pretty ruffle. It is a V-neck wrap style dress, but it's not a true wrap, so I like that. And they did send some previews of some shorts, so shorts are always good this time of year, and I do need some. So these are just some casual khaki type of shorts with pockets and a little cuff. But the cuff is sewn all the way around, which is a good thing. And then we have some orange. Are these orange? Red? I don't know. Pants. Again, I may have something very similar to this, but I've had them several years, so they're probably quite faded. So these are a shaping system compress. Looks like they're pretty fancy in terms of the compression, jegging, stretch for an amazing fit, thigh slimming, body shaping, tummy tucking, lift, and support. So we can always use a little bit of all of that. So let's get to trying some items on. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're going to start with the floral blouse and the jeans. The blouse is very, very comfortable. I do like the collar combination. I like the split neck here. The floral is very pretty, very dainty. It does come up far enough underneath the arms. I feel like it covers everything. You can wear a regular bra with it. I do have it front tucked a little bit. I think that looks cute. I think it looks cute with these colored jeans as well. There's what it looks like, the regular hemline. And then the back is slightly longer, it looks like. And you just have a solid navy back. So I like this. It's very cute. Not sure if I'm in love with it yet. I'll need to look back at the footage and see what I think. The pants I think are going to be a no-go. I like the collar. It's very fun, very bright, very springy. They are tight up in here, and I do feel like you can see my underwear line and everything. The front pockets are not functional. The back ones are. And I also feel like they're already pulling a little bit here at the waistline. Everything here feels too tight. This feels a little loose. The legs feel a little bit tight, although there is some fabric loosening there. But I will show you what the length looks like as well. So they are a good ankle length. They are a jegging. Tight all the way down the leg and tight on the calves as well. So I don't know that these are going to be a keeper, but I do like the color of these pants. So let's see what we have next. Okay, next we have the shorter tiered dress with the ruffles around the sleeves, which I think is really cute. It does cinch at the waist and has a little tie here. I like the small pattern. I like the V-neck. I think the ruffles are a cute little detail, and those go all the way down the back. It does give some coverage here to the top of the arms. I like the tiered. I like that it's a little bit shorter. It does sit right at the knee. So it gives some leg exposure if you like legs exposed, which I'm not opposed to it. It gives me some sun. So this is cute, and it's very comfortable. It is lined. with like a navy collared lining there. And it does have ruffles here at each tier. I don't know, I just think it's very cute and very playful, very youthful. Let me know what you think. Is this look flattering on me? Is this a style that is flattering? Do I look like I'm pregnant as opposed to it fitting properly? Let me know. I kind of like it, but I want to know what you think. All right, I'm going to come right back with the next dress. Okay, here's our next dress. So I like this one as well. This is a navy and white. It's like a dotted or something. I don't know what you want to call that. Hyphens or something. It is a wrap. Not a true wrap, but the illusion of a wrap. And then you have the tie here. It does cinch here at the waist. And then you have the ruffle going all the way down around the edge, which I think is a very flattering look. Let me know what you think. It's very comfortable. It's more of like a knit material than anything that's really heavy or anything like that. It's very comfortable here under the arms. I can wear a regular bra with it, which is a plus. Let me know what you think. Too many decisions. All right, here you have the length. You can see that it sits right there at the ankle. So kind of you're in between your midi and your maxi. And I like that ruffle. Isn't that a cute detail? All right, I think Brittany, is her name Brittany? I think Brittany, yes. Brittany is doing a good job so far. I like it. All right, let me know what you think. I'll be right back. This is our last item. So here we have the shorts. I can't say that I love them. They do fit me fine. The collar is fine. Not a huge fan of the pockets here on the side. I feel like that kind of accentuates my hips a little bit. The length is okay, although I could probably even go just a little bit shorter with one more cuff up a little bit. But I do like that the cuffs are sewn so that they're not going to fall down, and that's not going to bother me. The last pair of jean shorts that Stitch Fix sent me had that tab there. That was the tab on the outside, but the inside wasn't tabbed, so they were going to fall down. But I feel like these are flattering on me. The back pockets are not functional. They do have the buttons there. But they're just kind of average. So I don't know if these will be a keeper, but I am going to consider the two dresses and the shirt, I think. So I'm going to check out the prices of those. I'll be right back with the wrap up. So let's see what our prices are going to look like for this fix. Here we go. All right, we have the shorts, which are Liverpool, and these are $68. These are going to be a no. These are a little bit high for shorts as well. That I only wear two months out of the year, maybe 3 on the weekends. And then we have the Papermoon shirt in navy, and this is a $38 purchase, which is not bad. We have the Jeggings, which are by Curve Appeal, and they are $78. These are going to be a no. They are calling them red, so I'm not sure. Maybe I need to see them in a different light. Then we have the, okay, this is the Loveappella Darielle Faux Wrap Ruffle Hem Dress. It is $82 in navy. I do like that one. And then we have the tiered floral dress, which I like this one as well. And it is a $78 purchase. So the buy all discount is $86, which would leave my total, if I were to purchase everything, at $258. Then I would have my styling fee, $20. And then the order total would be $238 if I were to purchase everything, which is not bad for 5 items. But I don't think I'm going to keep everything. I'm thinking maybe 3 of the items, but I am going to go back and look at the footage And of course, I want to see your all's comments to get an idea of what you think I should keep. Which items are the most versatile? What do you think I would get the most wear out of over the long term? I love getting your all's thoughts and opinions. As you know, I'm trying to get my groove back in my 40s, but I want to purchase items that are smart purchases that I will wear for the long term. So let me know what you think. I love hearing from you guys. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends, other people who enjoy unboxing videos. I would love to have them join my channel as well. If you have not joined my channel, please feel free to subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would love to have you join me here. Also, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads, and you can catch every video on Mondays. Every now and then, I also post book content on Thursdays. I hope to have one of those coming up soon with the songbook of Benny Lament by Amy Harmon. So I hope to see you guys back soon. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I am signing out. Mwah.